Hey guys, welcome back to my series on the steps to building a home. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm with Kerr & Company Realty. This is episode 8, and in today's show, we're gonna talk about windows and rough-ins. Come on, let's go. All right guys, so once that roof is installed, the next step to getting the house dried in is to get the windows installed. Right about around the same time that you're having the roof installed, you'll usually see your windows pop up in the garage. When the installers put these windows in, it is so important that they do it correctly. All the manufacturers are going to have their own instructions on how to do it, but for the most part, they all follow the same basic principles. And the reason that is so important is a lot of times water can get behind your brick or your siding, and people don't actually realize that. And that's okay, as long as the water just travels down the wall, around the windows, and then goes out the bottom through the weep holes. If there happens to be a window that's not installed correctly and there's some type of holes in the flashing or something like that, water can actually get in and start coming down behind your drywall and doing a lot of damage. So it's very important that these windows get installed correctly and they're sealed and flashed and ready to go just in case water gets behind your siding. Now that we are officially dried in, the house has a roof, the house has windows, it's got doors. We are ready for the rough-in stage. Rough-in is just a generic term used to describe the initial installation of your plumbing, your electrical, and I don't think you guys can see any HVAC, but your HVAC. It does not include any of the endpoints to those items like the light switches or faucets or toilets or anything like that. It is just the initial installation of those items. The rough-in stage can be really exciting for most homeowners. It's just a huge milestone. You get to start seeing where your sink's gonna go, where your oven's gonna go. You see all the outlets and switches, the lights. You get to see the HVAC vents coming in. It really starts like your home is starting to come together. Once all those rough-ins are complete, the builder will reach out to the county or the city and let them know that the mechanical, plumbing, and electrical rough-ins are done and they're ready to be inspected. At that time, the county will send somebody out to the house to make sure everything's up to code and it looks correct, and they'll either sign off on it or not and let them know what needs to be corrected. After everything has passed and the rough-ins look good and it's been signed off on by the county, the builder is free to continue moving forward with the build.